For numbers 9 and 10, okay, what temperature will the rails just touch the steel railroad that is 12 meters long are laid with clearance? So yung clearance niya, yun yung room for elongation. At an initial temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Use yung alpha as 11.8 times 10 raised to negative 6. Okay, paano natin solve? Elongation. Thermal elongation pa rin. Ang tinatanong lang naman dito is yung temperature na para initin mo siya. So, for number 9, alat. Alat. Okay? So, expand natin. A, L. May length ka dyan, okay? So, yung T hot minus T low. Simplify. Divide ko both sides by AL. It will become, okay, elongation AL equal to TH minus TL. Meron tayong TL. Wala tayo nito. Yung TH. Okay, wala tayong TH. So, TH will be equal to, okay, thermal elongation plus TL. Divide by ito, AL. Equal to ST, that is 2.5 mm. Divide by A. Ano yung A? That is 11.8. 11.8 times 10 raised to the negative 6. Cancel mo na yung meter sa baba, okay? Per degree Celsius na to. Okay? mm per degree Celsius. Kaya lang, meter, dapat yung isa meter din. Okay? So, para maliwanag sa inyo yung solving, ganito yung ginawa dyan. Times, yung meter, gagawin ko millimeter. 1,000 mm. Every meter degree Celsius. Okay? Maka-cancel yan. Times L. Ano yung L natin? The length is 12 meters. Plus TL is 20 degrees. Cancel mo muna yung same unit. Si mm, si meters, natira si Celsius degree. Okay? So, 2.5. Okay? Sa baba tayo, 11.5 times 10 raised to negative 6 power times 1,000 times 12. Okay? Tapos, add ka ng 20. So, nakalagay dito, degree Kelvin. Ay, degree Celsius pa lang yan. Plus ko na ng 273. Okay? Plus 273. Para maging degree Kelvin. Plus 27 and 3. 311. 231 degrees Celsius. Kelvin dapat. Hindi 231 yan, ha? So, dapat hot. O, may mali. Okay lang yan. Plus 273. Oy, initial temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Okay? Baka nagtataka kayo. Ang ginawa kasi niya siguro dyan, hindi pala. Equal na natin. Plus 273. Ganun talaga. 311. Pero ang ginawa niya dito sa taas, okay? Kung ginawa niya dito sa taas, balik tayo. Ginawa niya is 2.5, okay? Divide by 11.8 ba? 11.8 times 10 raised to the negative 6 power times 1,000. 1,000 yan kasi millimeter to meter times 12. 12 meters, okay? Plus 20. 37 talaga lalabas. Okay? Hindi 231. 311 yan. Okay. What temperature will the rail just touch the steel rod? That is 12 meters long. I think 12 meters ba yan? Baka 1.12 to. Hindi. Talagang ganun. Talagang ganun. Okay. Plus 273. 231, mababa pa doon 273. Degree Kelvin. Okay. Equal to plus 273. Okay lang yan. 311. 3. Hindi niya sinama yung length. Dapat sama yung length. Sama sa solving. Okay? Doesn't mean na yung book ay mali or tayo yung mali. It's just may nakakaligtaan din siya. Okay? Although the book is published, ganun talaga. Nakakasama yun dyan. So for number 10, ito yung sample natin nakaraan. Same na same nito. Determine mo naman yung strain. Okay? The strain is number 10. Strain is, ito, E, strain. Ito yan, S over L. Okay? Elongation. Divide by the L. So, ano yung elongation mo dyan? Meron ba nakalagay? Yung thermal elongation is, that is alat, delta T, over L. Okay? So, cancel yung L. A delta T. That is the strain. So A is 11.2 times 10 raised to the negative 6 per degree Celsius. Kaya ng unit. Tapos, degree Celsius yan, gawin natin degrees Fahrenheit. Okay lang? So, this is 150 minus 60. Okay? Maging degree Celsius, divide mo lang ng 1.8. Or gawin mong 5 over 9. Degrees Celsius per degrees Fahrenheit. So, cancel same units. Celsius, Celsius, Fahrenheit. Tapos yung Fahrenheit dito. Cancel. So, solve. So, 11.2 10 negative 6 times 90 times 5 divide by 9. So, bilangin yung 0, 3, tapos sa 5, 4. 4 decimal places. 5.6 times 10 raised to the negative 4th power. Basic for number 10.